Are you sometimes confused with what certain modern management trends words actually mean and how they are related? You know, words like Kanban, lean principles, flowline, agile, Scrum, even design thinking. Well, let's start with a simple, top-level explanation. We'll first take a look at when these methodologies and tools are being applied. For design thinking, this is used at the beginning of a product cycle to determine what will be done. A flowline reflects each process step to determine how it will be done. And Scrum is a breakdown of work which is processed within a certain time frame. Kanban as a tool can be used for either flowlines or Scrum. Design thinking is an iterative process that focuses on the end user of the product. Based on your current understanding of your target users, you can define the problem or redefine the problem, generate ideas via brainstorming for creative solutions, prototyping one or more of your ideas to then test with your end user, where feedback from that testing will help you restart the process to generate a better product as a result of continuous improvements. Moving on to Kanban, it is the Japanese word for visual signal, and is a physical or electronic whiteboard where work is visualized by using post-it notes or digital cards. Kanban boards will help you to manage more efficiently and proactively if certain principles are applied. So which principle should you be using in combination with a Kanban board? Well, it depends on whether you are using it for a team or a process. Use Scrum principles if you're using a Kanban board for a team, or use flowline principles if you're using a Kanban board for a process, both of which we'll be getting into shortly. Scrum is a tool set which is part of Agile Management. Agile Management has the following 4 key characteristics: speed, adaptability, customer focus, and agile mindset. While a truly agile organization applies those principles throughout all levels, Scrum can be used to get started immediately by managing a single team the agile way. Scrum involves prioritizing your tasks in a product backlog and then moving those tasks into a sprint backlog, which will be your planned tasks for an upcoming sprint. These tasks will be delegated to members of the team who will carry out those tasks over the course of a sprint, who will keep their team leader up to date via regular team stand-up meetings. Here you can see an example of a Scrum Kanban board, where team members have their own lane and will be able to track the cards that they have in their sprint backlog, moving them left to right as they are being worked on and accomplished. Let's move on to flowline principles. Processes can be managed by applying flowline principles, which are part of the Lean framework. Lean principles originated in Japan with Toyota and consist of many elements, such as Kaizen, Demaic, Six Sigma, and a lean mindset. The main objective is to continuously improve with a high customer focus. Now let's talk about Lean, where the 5 key principles of Lean are identify value, map the value stream, create flow, establish pull, and seek perfection, where steps 3 to 5 can be supported using a Kanban board. Here is an example of a flow line on a Kanban board. You can visualize your process steps and have a real-time understanding of your flow line, where you move cards from left to right as they are being progressed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Are there any other modern management words that can be quite confusing at times for you? Please let us know in the comments. And also like and share this video around, and that would be very much appreciated. If you could also please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you stay up to date with the future content we'll release. Feel free to contact us at info@holia.eu, where we can support you to implement lean or agile management in your organization, and we can partner you in taking the next leap in results. My name's been Tom Llewellyn, and I will speak to you again very soon.